Okay, quick follow-up on a KBH trade we had today in our chat room. We called KBH at 1296. Put a horizontal line through that. Right about where these two lines meet is where we entered. Show you the daily real quick. We didn't catch nice candle there today. Big pop. We didn't catch all of it, but I'll show you why we entered where we did. Let me go back to fives. It was right in here. It's still hard to see why we entered there, so let me zoom in using ones because early in the day, in the first, I don't know, 10, 15, 20 minutes, even really the first half hour of the day, I use 1 minute candles. And then you can kind of see the base forming here that we look for. It hit, this red line is the market, the SPY, the market just straight up. Well, home builders we were watching because the bailout plan, whatever you want to call it, a stimulus package, is supposed to include a $15,000 home buyer's credit. That's a big deal for anybody buying a home, and they're not even limiting it allegedly to first-time home buyers. So we knew with that and possibly 4% mortgages coming down the pike too. We knew with that in the works to have home builders on watch today. So as the home builders rallied, didn't really give us a clean entry, but this one hit 1295 early. Looks like about 7 minutes into the session. Then formed a nice long base here. And so we called it when it got over here. We said if it breaks this early high at 1296, look how strong the market was. So 1296 trigger, stop below this little base here, probably 1270. So about a 26-cent risk. Let me go back to fives now. But it was only, okay, there's a 1296 line. It was only a 20-something cent risk for about 2 or 3 candles. And then our stops at break even. Once we take a little bit of profits, like a dime, 15, 20 cents, whatever on half, then we go to a break even stop on the other half, and then the rest of the trade became where do I want to scale out. Every time you get a pop, you can sell some more. But there's nothing better in day trading than a worry-free trade. In other words, you put some money in the bank, you had a tight stop there, 10, 15 minutes later, your stop's at break even, and you can kind of let the thing run. In worst case scenario, your second half gets stopped out, and you still made money on the trade. And then, when you do that, every once in a while you get something like this KBH that just makes you a bunch of money on the back half. So great trade for us today. We've had quite a few of these worry-free trades 5 or 10 minutes after our entries lately. So it's been good trading. Have a good weekend, everyone, and we'll talk to you soon.